Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this bright and colorful freehand nail design. So I already painted my nails with blue polish, and then I'm going to apply in a wavy design this green polish. And I'm going to fill it in. And then on the opposite side of my nail, I'm going to apply the hot pink. I'm going to do more simpler nail designs so anyone can recreate it. So I'm going to have a lot more freehand designs. I want to make them simple and easy. I hope I make them simple and easy for anyone to recreate. So if you like this idea, just leave the comments in the bottom telling me that you do. Now, like I said earlier, I just added the hot pink. And you can use any color combo you want to, but I recently went to Walmart and got a really good sale on a bunch of nail polishes. Like, they're more pastel colors, so I'm using a lot more pastels. And I do love the color combo in this design. Then using my black nail striper, my trusty black nail striper that I love so much, I'm going to outline the design. And I usually do this a lot for any imperfections. If I messed up, it's really good at covering the design. And it also, I think it brings the whole look together. But if you want, you can use a white polish or a white striper. Once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy to follow. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails. See more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.